So audit risk is identified at the planning stage, and it is the risk that there could be a balance or disclosure note which is wrong in the financial statements, and the auditor might fail to spot that during the testing stage. Therefore, during the planning stage, the auditor must plan how to respond to that risk, or in other words, how to make sure he finds the potential mistakes in the balance or disclosure he thinks is a risk of being wrong. So the difference between substantive procedures and responses to audit risk is that in most situations, the response to audit risk is just a substantive test the auditor plans to do when it gets to the substantive procedure stage. And then when that stage comes, the auditor actually goes ahead and does the test. That's it in simplest possible terms. There are other responses to audit risk as well that allow to make sure for the auditor he doesn't miss out the mistakes, like, for example, planning to do more work in the interim audit stage or engage an expert if it's a specialist client and so on. But most of the responses to audit risk are just substantive procedures the auditor plans at the planning stage so he can complete them at the substantive procedure stage.